Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 LDV T60 Pro Ute, stock reference number 5448. This shape runs from the 7th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle has been in a rollover. Right rear door has 2 small dents, and we have the right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, heater controls, climate control type, touchscreen media player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.